Are you ready to transform your morning routine and achieve a slimmer waistline without the hassle of lengthy cardio sessions? It's time to unlock a powerful secret that will revolutionize your fitness journey. The 10-minute morning miracle, unlocking a slimmer waist. As we navigate the journey of aging, especially in our 50s, it's all too easy to find ourselves carrying a few extra pounds, particularly around the waist. But here's the game changer: we've discovered a simple, yet incredibly effective, 10-minute morning routine that can tighten your waist better than an hour-long cardio session. Yes, you read that right. We had the privilege of speaking with Dotsie Bosch, an Olympic silver medalist in cycling and the executive director at Switch for Good, who shared her expertise on this transformative routine. Bosch reveals the key to shrinking your waist isn't about exhausting yourself with intense workouts, but rather, it's about waking up your deep core and stabilizer muscles first thing in the morning. Long cardio sessions can indeed burn calories, Bosch explains, but after 50, they often lead to an increase in cortisol levels if overdone. Elevated cortisol is notorious for encouraging fat storage around the midsection. A brief yet intentional morning routine, like the one Bosch has designed, fires up the transverse abdominis and improves posture, resulting in a naturally slimmer waistline throughout the day. It also activates balance and stabilizer muscles, which traditional cardio often neglects. Additionally, this quick routine boosts mobility and circulation, setting your metabolism on the right track from the moment you wake up. But here's where it gets controversial. Bosch also emphasizes the importance of a dairy-free, plant-powered lifestyle. She argues that by removing inflammation and bloating, two common saboteurs of a slim waistline, you're creating an environment where your morning core activation becomes even more effective. So, are you ready to dive into this 10-minute morning workout? Each move is performed for 45 seconds with a 15-second transition, and completing 2 rounds will give you a total of 10 minutes of targeted waistline strengthening. Deep core breathing plus transverse abdominis brace. This exercise directly targets the transverse abdominis, the muscle responsible for pulling your waist inward. By focusing on slow, controlled breathing, you'll feel your belly fill with air and gradually exhale, engaging this crucial muscle. Standing knee to elbow twists. These twists are a gentle yet effective way to fire up your obliques and lower abs while elevating your heart rate. According to Bosch, rotation is essential for defining the waist after 50. Chair sit-backs, mini core lean-backs. Chair sit-backs are a great way to strengthen the transverse abdominis and lower abdominal region without putting unnecessary stress on your spine. Bosch explains, they're perfect for re-engaging deep core muscles that weaken with age. Standing side crunches. Target your obliques in isolation with these standing side crunches. By tightening the outer waistline and improving hip stability, this exercise helps create a balanced and evenly cinched waistline. Chair-seated leg lifts, alternating. Chair-seated leg lifts target the lower abs and pelvic stabilizers, which are critical for flattening the lower belly and improving alignment, Bosch points out. Slow and controlled torso rotations. These rotations build rotational strength, activate the obliques, and enhance spinal mobility, resulting in a tighter and more sculpted midsection, as Bosch notes. Posture reset, wall alignment hold. The wall alignment hold strengthens the upper back and spinal stabilizers. A lifted posture instantly creates a slimmer, more confident silhouette, Bosch explains. And this is the part most people miss. By incorporating these simple yet powerful exercises into your morning routine, you're not only tightening your waistline but also improving your overall posture and core strength. It's a holistic approach to fitness that yields impressive results. So, are you ready to give it a try? Remember, consistency is key. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how this routine has impacted your fitness journey and waistline transformation.